Sunday, October 9th. Choices are being made. Anyway, choices. This. I've had the Diamond Body 36 kit since pretty much it came out, but I've been holding out. The Diamond Glass prep is in my other video, as you can see by the link. But yeah, I'm polishing the car. I'm going to polish the entire glass, so I've had my 4-way test going on. It's been fine. The only one I'm worried about polishing is that right there is the Opti-Glass or Opti whatever from Optimum Polymer, because it puts a coating on the car that hardens the window a little bit. The rest of them I'm sure are going to polish out just fine. And then Diamond Glass the entire front glass. Side glass probably won't even touch. They've got some Adam's advanced graphene ceramic spray on them, so they're going to be good. So that's that. I may record a little bit of polishing, but yeah, I got to give this a bath first. That's what the O&R is about. Ooh. This is cool. I'm taking the polish. Well, I'm taking the glass sealant. Actually, I'm just going to polish the window one time with glass polish, glass polishing pad, and that's it. I'm just going to do it one time. But look at that. Look at the difference. You can literally see the line. This is the Griots. This is the Diamond Glass. I swear to God, the Diamond Glass is resisting being polished off. And I'm going to put Diamond Glass back on it. That's what this whole plan is. But when I saw this as I was polishing, I was like, holy crap, there's a line. I'm going to leave this on here. I'm going to see if the other side does it too. But an interesting happening in the glass polishing. This is cool. All right, when I get the other side done, I'll take another video. No distinctive line on this side. At least not that I can tell. I mean, there's kind of a line right there, and it could be that. This one here is a little bit thinner because like I only have this really thin spot of atoms. And there is a line like right here. It's like noticeable to me. It's like a little cutoff. And that actually might be it. Oh well. Actually, in reinforcing my decision of this, that is unreal. Look at that. That is a hard cut. Yeah, I can't wait to put the Diamond Glass in here. Diamond Body is making me even more excited about the Diamond Body. Let's see if I can, I'll do a little bit more video of the paint later. This is going to go in my glass video. This will be my last glass video. Other than just in the wintertime, we'll see what it does. Glass video closed.